when we have a set of DTF printers. Timely maintenance of the machine can maintain good performance, reduce failures and reduce maintenance costs. When developing products, engineers based on usage habits and machine characteristics create a design that better suits user needs. So the maintenance of the product is very simple. Whether it is a UV DTF printer or a DTF printer, its daily maintenance focuses on the expensive print head. But only 3 steps are required: cleaning, testing, and moisturizing. All HD models are equipped with a one-button cleaning and testing function. One-button operation can be completed. We have specially optimized the hot melt powder of the powder shaking machine. Cover design blocks external pollution. It will automatically fall to the powder collection bin in the working area for recycling. And for the smoke generated by drying, the flue and oil collector are designed. So the powder shaking machine and the smoke machine only need to clean the oil stains and regularly clean the waste oil in the oil collector.